have a lot of memories and stories about Sister Beth, but I guess what I would like to share is that I cannot imagine this place without you, Sister Beth. I look back on my time as a student here, and I spent so much time in the ministry office doing retreats and going on alternative spring break trips with you, and I consider myself one of the lucky ones to have known you and to work beside you and to see your love and your passion at work. It's inspiring, and since graduating I come back every so often, and my first stop is the ministry office. I always want to visit you, sit on the couches, relax, have some candy, and get a big hug from you, because when I look back, you are a huge part of my experience. You know, I think about all the professors and the books and the classes, and that all makes this campus a university, but you, Sister Beth, make this place a home for me. We'll miss you a lot, and we wish you the best in the days ahead, and thank you so much for everything. I know it's more than how old I am, so I would have to say like 35, 36, maybe 37 years. I don't think it's 40, but somewhere in the 30 range. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, the sea salt caramel chocolate chip. I swear to God. Even my dad loves those, and she made a batch for him like last year, and it was amazing.